Faiss vs ChromaDB. Which vector database wins? So, let's start with Faiss. Faiss is the Facebook AI similarity search, which is a high-performance, open-source library optimized for similarity search and clustering of dense vector embeddings. It's specially tuned for scale and speed at large scales. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers blazingly fast queries, which means there are sub-millisecond query times with benchmarks showing. It also scales to massive datasets, and then it has a highly scalable, customizable indexing. And there are some mature and widely usage of it, so it's trusted in industry applications with solid documentation support. Although the cons are, it has a complex setup and maintenance. It also requires a library and is not a full database. And there are a manual operational overhead, which means you'll need to build API endpoints, backups, and scaling logic. Now, ChromaDB, on the other hand, is an open source, developer friendly vector store designed for ease of embedding management. It includes database features like metadata filtering, persistence, and Python native API. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is very simple to use. It supports rich query types and it includes persistence. It also has easy prototyping, embedding, and the management, which are ideal for RAG AI agent memories. Now for the cons though, it has some performance lag relative to Faiss, which is the show query latency, which is around 2 ms. It also has limited scalability, which means it is a single node architecture best suited for small to medium datasets. And they have higher usage of resources, which means more memory per query due to added metadata layers. And it is still less mature for extreme scale. So overall, choose Fast if you need maximum high performance similarity search, and choose ChromaDB if you prioritize developer friendliness, quick setup, built and metadata features.